Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Pakistan Veterinary Education. I am Talha Shafiq and today we are going to discuss about the osteology of Menas region of dog. As you can see on your screen, we will complete this topic in 3 parts, and if you are new on our channel then don't forget to subscribe on the channel and watch the video till end to understand it completely without missing any point. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. So the menace of the dog is just like hand, which contain three types of bone. First one carpal bones, second one is metacarpal bone, and third one are digits. So let's understand the carpus or the carpal bones. It is just homologous to the wrist of man, and it contain a number of short bones and form carpal joint in dog. Again, if we look the carpal bones in the picture, you can see that these are the short bones. This set of short bone present in the first part of the manus and form the carpal joint, and this is corpus region. It is very important to understand the naming or the numbering of the carpal bones. The naming and the numbering start from the medial to the lateral. On the medial side, radius is present, and on the lateral side, ulna is present. If we talk about the antebrachium region, on the medial side, radius is present, and on the lateral side, ulna is present. Carpal bones are 7 in number in case of dog. So these bones are arranged in two rows, proximal row and distal row. Proximal row articulates with radius and ulna, which are present in the antebrachium region, and the second row is the distal row, which articulates with the metacarpal bones in the manus. As the proximal row articulate with radius and ulna, that's why naming of the carpal bone also based on these two bones. Now, proximal row contain three bones: intermedio radial carpal bone, which is present below the radius. Basically, radial carpal bone and intermediate carpal bone are separate bones, while in case of dog, these two bones are fused. That's why these are called intermedio radial carpal bone. So these are abbreviated as CR plus CI. Next is the ulnar carpal bone, which is majorly articulate with the ulna on the lateral side, as ulna is present on the lateral side, and somewhat with the radius. That's why it is called ulnar carpal bone, and it is abbreviated as capital C and small u. Similarly, here C denotes the carpal bone and U denotes the ulna. Now the third carpal bone is accessory carpal bone. It is denoted as CA, capital C and small a. Small a denotes accessory and capital C denote the carpal bone. I am repeating here, basically proximal row contain 4 bones, but numerical reduction is apparently due to fusion of radial and intermediate carpal bones. This fused bone form intermedio radial carpal bone, and this bone proximally articulate with the radius, and distally it articulate with the carpal bone of the distal row. Next is ulnar carpal bone. Ulnar carpal bone is a long bone. So proximally, as we have discussed, it articulate with radius and ulna both, but behind the ulnar carpal bone, means caudally, accessory carpal bone is present. Distally, it articulate with the fourth carpal bone, and as you can see that it is prolonged downward to articulate with the fifth metacarpal bone also. Now look at the accessory carpal bone in the proximal row. It is a cylindrical, constricted in its middle, and cranially it articulates with the ulna and the ulnar carpal bone. Now the distal row of the carpal bone just name on the numbering from the medial to lateral. As the numbering starts from the medial side, so the first carpal bone from the medial side is named as first carpal bone and abbreviated as C1. The next after C1 is the second carpal bone abbreviated as C2. then the third carpal bone C3, and the last one is fourth carpal bone, which is present on the most lateral side. Now let's look at the anatomy of these bones. First carpal bone is the smallest bone of the distal row, and laterally it articulates with the second carpal bone, and proximally you can see that it articulates with the intermedioradial carpal bone, and distally with the first metacarpal bone. Now the second carpal bone is wedge shaped, as you can see that in the picture. Its upper surface is convex, medially articulate with the first carpal bone, laterally articulate with the third carpal bone, and proximally articulate with the intermedioradial carpal bone, while distally articulate with the second metacarpal bone. Now the third carpal bone is somewhat like second one, and distally it articulates with the third metacarpal bone. Similarly, on the medial side it contains second carpal bone, and laterally fourth carpal bone is present. Now the fourth carpal bone, you can see that it is largest in the row. Medially it articulates with the third carpal bone, and distally it articulates with the fourth and fifth metacarpal bone. This is the only bone which articulates with the two metacarpal bones, fourth and fifth metacarpal, while all other first, second and third carpal bone articulates with only one metacarpal bone distally. Fourth metacarpal bone is the only carpal bone that articulate with the fourth and fifth metacarpal bone. So that's all about these carpal bone. I'm summarizing this topic again. Carpal bone, basically it is a set of short bones which form the carpal joint or the carpus region of the manus. It's just like our wrist. It contains 7 short bones that are arranged in 2 rows, proximal row and distal row. Proximal row, we have discussed that it contains 3 bones that are intermedioradial carpal bone, ulnar carpal bone and accessory carpal bones. Intermedioradial carpal bone is formed by the fusion of radial and intermedial carpal bone in the case of dog. That is important to understand and remember. Distal row contains 4 bones that are named on the numerical basis, and the numbering starts from the medial to lateral. That's all about the carpal bones. Please don't forget to like the video, and you can ask any question in the comment box. Meet you in the next video on the metacarpal bones. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.